Nathaniel Lynch reading for the part of The Fridge, September 30th, 2018. Don't forget about your own health. Plenty of fruits and veggies, bottom shelf, if you forgot. Like you forgot that thing growing in the back of me. I don't even know what it is anymore. Wait, that means... Oh no, not him. Language, please. And don't forget about you. Reach down into my bottom drawers and pull out something good for yourself. Is that what he ordered? Probably that moldy thing deep inside of me started out as, when you want real food, let me know. Thank you.